Our finished results of our turkey and dressing. I want you to see how beautiful it came out, and look how golden brown uh, the turkey tails, the turkey wings are. I'm so used to saying turkey tails, y'all, excuse me. But look how beautiful they browned. And look, I'm going to show you how fluffy the dressing is. Look how fluffy the dressing is. This is what you want, a fluffy dress. You don't want it dry. You want it seasoned just right. Have the exactly enough sage and exactly enough black pepper and exactly enough spices. You can't go wrong with this. This is really good. This is going to taste it for y'all. It's good. It's delicious. It's delicious, y'all. This is so moist and it melts in your mouth. And I show you how to put that broth, put those turkey wings in the oven filled with seasoning like the onions and the bell peppers and the celery, black pepper and salt and a little sage to get that real good rich broth. And I show you how the broth look. This is delicious, y'all. I'm not going to eat anymore because I ate with this fork. But this is the end results of my turkey and dressing. Oh, that looks so good, y'all. Who wouldn't enjoy that with some giblet gravy and some cranberry sauce? This is a cornbread dressing, y'all. This is a cornbread dressing only. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Okay, we have our chicken. We have our turkey legs. Well, they're not turkey legs, y'all. They're turkey wings. We have our turkey wings. We got our celery, our bell pepper, our onion, and we have this in the oven so it can bake real good. This is Sandra. I want to show you this. How you do this. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is one of my turkey and dressing. Yes, this is turkey and dressing. I use turkey wings. I show you how to bake those turkey wings to get all the substance out of the bones of the turkey so you can have a rich, rich broth. And what the broth did, it turned into this right here. Let me reach up and get this right here. It turned out to be just like this, real thick and very, very flavorful. Look at it. That's very flavorful and thick because I had put the celery and the onions and the bell peppers and no garlic. I don't put any garlic in mine. Okay, we got the cornbread. The cornbread is already crumbed up. So what I'm going to do is use a can of chicken soup. Now you can use cream of chicken or cream of mushrooms. I'm going to use cream of mushroom today because I got a cream of chicken for another recipe. So I'm going to blend all this together just like this. Just blend it. Just like this. This is so easy, y'all. So easy. Now let this stay overnight. Now all of this is cold. It is not warm at all. It's all cold because when you make it hot, it makes you mushy. It may have a mushy dressing. Okay, we got all this blended. So I'm going to add some onion and celery. Onion and celery. Then I'm going to add some water, maybe about a cup of water. Just like that. Hope you can see this in the camera. Okay. Then we're going to, this is the, today is, it's Pentecost Day. We are doing a Pentecost feast today, and we're getting this all prepared for this. We're going to add some black pepper. Now, I love a lot of black pepper in my dressing. Now, this is what I like to do. I like to put a lot of black pepper in mine. My mom liked a lot of black pepper in hers, and it just made it taste good, y'all. And then we're going to add some sage, but not a lot of sage, just enough that you have a hint of sage in there, just like that. Then we're going to add parsley flakes. Not to put parsley flakes in there. And that'll be it. Then we're going to stir this all together. This is simple and easy. And everybody looking at this, what kind of dressing is that? Baby, wait till you see this. It is delicious. Okay, we're going to get the cornbread. And we're going to add the cornbread to it, just like this. The cornbread is cold also. I baked the cornbread last night. Had it sitting out. So we're going to flip all this together just like this. Flipping it all together. Because you don't have to add anything else to this because it has all the richness of the turkey in there. I'll flip it like this. And I like mine's kind of hunky. A lot of people like theirs kind of, you know, mushy. But I like mine's hunky like this. Just like this. Okay, we're going to stir all this up. Get it all coated. Okay, it smells so good, y'all. Add some more cornbread to it. More cornbread. Okay. And we're going to stir all this together like this. Get this out the way. I think we have enough cornbread into this dressing. Okay, we're going to do it just like this. Now, you can put anything you want. This onion. You can put anything you want in your dressing. But I just like to do mine's like this. And that's it. See, it's not too thin, it's not too thick. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes good. Need some more black pepper, y'all. Need some more black pepper in this. That's all it needs in there. More black pepper. And we add onion. Excuse my microphone, y'all. We add onion. And we add some more celery. Just to hint it off. Okay. And that's it. Now you can add a little bit more water to make sure that it's not too dry. And that's all you do. And we'll be back and let you see what the finished results is. But first, we're going to have to put the turkey back on. So what we're going to do is this. And this is all tasting good. Tastes real good. So we're going to put the turkey back on. We're going to put this turkey on just like this. Spread the turkey in like that. That's the turkey wings. I'm going to put it back like that. Like those little wings right there. And then the leftover, we're just going to pour it on top like that. And we're going to bake this for about a good 30 minutes. And we'll be right back and let you see what it look like. This is Sandra. I'll be right back. This is our finished results of our turkey and dressing. I want you to see how beautiful it came out, and look how golden brown the turkey tails, the turkey wings are. I'm so used to turkey tails, y'all, excuse me. But look how beautiful they browned. And look, I'm going to show you how fluffy the dressing is. Look how fluffy the dressing is. This is what you want, a fluffy dress. You don't want it dry. You want it seasoned just right. Have the exactly enough sage and exactly enough black pepper and exactly enough spices. You can't go wrong with this. This is really good. This is going to taste it for y'all. It's good. It's delicious. It's delicious, y'all. This is so moist and it melts in your mouth. And I show you how to put that broth, put those turkey wings in the oven filled with seasoning like the onions and the bell peppers and the celery, black pepper and salt and a little sage to get that real good rich broth. And I show you how the broth look. This is delicious, y'all. I'm not going to eat anymore because I ate what this for. But this is the end results of my turkey and dressing. Oh, that looks so good, y'all. Who wouldn't enjoy that with some ghibli gravy and some cranberry sauce? It's a cornbread dressing, y'all. This is a cornbread dressing only. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.